Today's post is on money or peace of mind. One of the really great benefits we have here on Prosperity Team is we have a daily mindset call with our wonderful friend and mentor and team leader, Paul. So today's subject is money or peace of mind. How about having both? Anyway, this little clip today, the video clip below, is going to be like a little 15-minute teaser or sampling of one of our daily mindset calls. So listen to it, enjoy it, get something fabulous out of it, and then read the blog post. And if you found value in it, like it, share it, and you can join up on our team. There's a button down below, and you can jump on board to help your business explode. All right, talk to you soon.